Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're talking about Mini Condor and the problems that a lot of locksmiths are seeing and what we can do over here at the Keyless Shop to help you get your Mini Condor fixed and back working. So first thing we can do is, if your Mini Condor stops working, you can give us a call. We can do a team viewer and we can log into your computer and try to fix it remotely. Sometimes we can update the software on the Mini Condor and that can fix it. If we can't, then you can send it to us and we can fix it here at our facility in Maryland. This is the new Mini Condor, and as you can see inside, the new Mini Condor, the old Mini Condors, which most everybody has because this is actually not even really out yet on the market. The old Mini Condors, the cables were not very secure. These are the old cables right here, and these are actually the new cables. You see how they've wrapped the new cables in some material and just kind of made it more secure. This right here is the motherboard, and this is the new motherboard. And where's the old motherboard? The old motherboard is right here. And as you can see in the old motherboard, there's a lot of connections right here. And over here on the new one, the orange one, there's a lot less connections. So less stuff, less wires that can get disconnected. But as you can see on the inside of the Mini Condor, how it works, when the machine starts cutting, that piece is moving. And then you can see this starts to move. And what happens is that these wires, after time, they disconnect, and that's when you start getting error messages and your machine stops working. So you can send it to us and we can reconnect the wires, but you got to be careful, because if you start using it and there's wires are disconnected, you can actually mess up the motherboard, and you'd have to replace the motherboard with a new one. That would probably cost around $400 to do that. But a lot of times we can just reconnect the wires and fix it. So if you need your Mini Condor fixed, give us a call at 800-985-9531 or visit us online at keylesshop.com. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.